Hello. So today we are going to learn this cute alligator. So if you look at this one, we cannot start from here, right? So we have to think about it how to start any drawing. So when I did with the shapes. So I did one, you will see what shape I'm doing. And then I looked over here. So there's two basic ones, one and then second one. It's really cute. So let's start this cute alligator. What I did, this one is 4.5. You can see it's a little bit tilted, kite style. Very rough idea, right? Now I'm going to cut the edges. 3/4. So I'm going to draw one more line over here as a guideline. See, you have to do 2-3 lines and then take a eraser and erase extra lines. So I'm done with this part. The face is going to be here. Now I have to think about the body. So for body, we can do half of this one and half of this one, right? So half, a little bit more, you can say half of this one. I will start from here and I will start from here. Oh sorry, I forgot to do half over here and this much. So I'm going to draw this much over here. This is going to be the body part. So now, how to start? If I will look this one and I want to start with the face part, right? So which part do we have to start? How to think about it? So if I will go the eye part, I don't know where to draw. If I will go this one, it's very confusing. Do I have to start or here? It's very confusing for me. If I will think about it, so this is the mouth part, right? This is the easiest one to draw first. So this is the half and this one is going to be cheeks. As we know, this is half, so cheeks will be here, right? So these are going to be cheeks. So this mouth kind of started over here, right? And it's going over here. I'm drawing this line right now. Going over here and crossing this one and this way, kind of like a S shape. We learned S line, right? So this is alphabet S, like this. And then it's going up over here, right? And kind of like a smiley face over here. And this one looks a little bit thicker to me, so I just adjusted this one. Now I have to draw the bottom one, this line. So I'm going over here, pulling this one, kind of like normally we draw U, right? So same thing, but his mouth is big. And I have to go over here and touch. This is the line, it was over here, so I touch this line, right? Now after that I'm going to draw this small circle to open his mouth over here, going around this one and coming back with this same line what we did. So it was the same line like kite line, right? So I'm going to curve this one over here. So now we got a little bit idea. Now we have to do everything according to this one. So this one is fine. This has to be cheek, so I have to curve this part right? This is fine. This has to be curved, so I curved this one, and then this is going to be the chin part. Okay, now over here this is cheek and this is also cheek, so our line was here. If I have to go, I will see this much over here, right? And this one is here. Now the time is to draw the eye. Eye is going to be over here, kind of like a organic shape, not ellipse anymore. Point it over here, or you can say egg shape, oval shape, right? And pull it just a little bit down so the eye will be a little bit big over here. The other eye is going to start from here. This was the middle line. You can cross just a little bit, okay? You can cross it. You can draw a drop or egg shape over here, and then 2 eyebrows. We are just getting a little bit ideas. We are not doing exactly same thing. So now I feel like this one is a little bit high. This is the line, so I'm going to draw a little bit low. So the cheeks will be a little bit low, because I was not getting enough space for the eye. So I'm making this one now big. See how many lines I'm drawing? I'm drawing so many lines, and then later on I will erase all of them and I will pick one only. I like this one because it's a big eye. This is what I wanted. So now I can erase my guidelines. I want his cheeks to be a little bit big. So what I'm going to do, you can always adjust your drawing. I made a little bit big over here, and this was over here, this way, right? So we are almost done with this head part. Now we have to draw a grass style for his hair, curvy, and then you can draw a ring around this one. Shape. I like this line. Now it's easy for me because I have to go one more parallel line next to this one, right? And then I have to erase everything from inside. After that you can draw this one, and the way you want the teeth to draw, you can draw. And then curve, just a little bit curve, not very straight, just slightly curve all of them. The curve, and this is the part where we have to draw nostril. So just see, and one hole over here. Over here we cannot see, but you have to draw just one bump over here. Now if you'll see, I drew the V shape over here. So this is the point, and you can say half and 3/4, that means over here. So V is going to be here, this way. Say half on this one, so this is almost like a half over here. Now this is going to be the hand. So what I'm going to do, this is a guideline. I'm going to draw a little bit darker, curve a little bit over here, and this one is also going to be curved. But this hand is front, so I'm making this line on the top, this one. This is behind one. So let's do the front one, this hand. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to curve this one. I will curve over here. This is also curved. Little idea over here. now we can see the leg is front actually, not this hand. So for this, if you really want to, you can go ahead and you can draw a little bit, or you can, this is the line where we have to draw. So what you can do, just draw one organic shape over here, just like that. You can say like a drop, right? And then you can just draw one more like that and draw 3 lines in this one, means 2 lines inside. So 1, 2, and then you are done. And this hand is going to touch this one. From here, it's going over here like that. Can you see its shape? This way. This hand is coming over here, and after that you have to turn this one like this, candy cane style. So I just moved just like we did octopus, same thing. Now I'm going to draw 1. I already did 1 more. So now 3. And if you want to make it a smooth one, yes, you can go ahead and make it a smooth one like this. This hand is coming over here, and this will also go like that, but we cannot see the whole thing, so we just have to draw this much, and we are done. This part has to be skinny, so I am making it skinny, and I will erase all the guidelines from here and from here. So this leg we are done, and this was our guideline over here. So from here we have to curve for his tummy like this, and the other line. So this is going to be his tummy, and it has to be little bit up, not touching the floor. Okay, so this is the floor, just little bit curve over here. This is the place we have to draw, same thing, same size, and we have to draw 2 lines, 1, 2, and then 1 candy cane, so this is the chin, right? But this hand is like when you put your hand, you will see the hand, not chin. So we have to curve over here and hide the chin little bit over here. All my guidelines, and then I will draw one more line over here, and then tummy lines over here, that's it. So I've done this one because this alligator is looking up, so what I have to draw both of them up over here, and tiny white wherever you want. You can draw the white part, this reflection one, and this is going to be red color, black color, and all these. You can see picture and you can color it. And then we have to draw the tail. Tail is kind of like that, like we learned S, right? So same thing I'm going to do. I will do S first, okay. From here I'm going to start again, but this time I'm going to make it wider. And then after that I will draw as many as I want to draw. It's up to if you want space and all these, you can create the space. If you want little bit from here, that's also fine, you can do it. If you want like that, you have to touch these ones slowly by slowly and make it skinnier. And now we are done with this alligator, and we are ready to color.